Welcome back, developers. Today, we have an exciting topic to dive into, Next.js 14. Get ready for a deep dive into the project structure of this incredible framework. So, let's jump right in. First, what is Next.js? Next.js is a React framework for building full-stack web applications. Next.js.org in the JavaScript framework realm, Next.js stands out from the crowd. This streamlined tool allows developers to create modern web applications quickly and efficiently. Now that we've covered the basics of Next.js, let's shift our focus back to the main theme, project structure. Next.js simplifies page creation by using file system routing. The pages router generates routes from files, making it intuitive and seamless. When starting a project, choosing between the app router and pages router is a critical decision, impacting how your routes are structured based on your file arrangement. So which to choose? Pages router or app router? Let's take some closer look so that we have clear idea which one to choose. In pages router, we placed our pages in Next's pages directory for years. Whereas in app router, we place our pages in app directory, significantly changing how we create pages. But not only the directory in which we store our app's pages changes, but also the available feature. So let's have more deeper look onto both of them. Here we have basic simple project structure using pages router. Next is the project structure using app router. Now let's compare both side by side. I hope you understand the basic structural differences between both pages router and app router. Now, let's gain some more knowledge about both of them side by side. The app router is Next.js's answer to advanced routing needs, allowing for more complex patterns and setups. Features: client and server components, distinguishes between components running on the server and client, optimizing server-side operations and client-side interactivity efficiently. Easy layouts, simplifies layout management with layout.js, providing an intuitive solution for handling nested layouts within hierarchical page structures. Server actions, enables the execution of server-side code based on client-side events, enhancing flexibility in handling diverse application logic. Intercepting routes, facilitates the rendering of different components based on conditions, allowing for dynamic content changes even when the URL remains constant. Parallel routing, permits the rendering of multiple pages on the same URL, offering enhanced flexibility in structuring content. Built-in SEO, the app router streamlines metadata handling, eliminating the need for next of head, and providing a built-in solution for SEO optimization. Pros: flexibility, adaptable to a wide range of routing scenarios, accommodating diverse application architectures. Dynamic data handling, seamlessly integrates with various data sources, facilitating the management of dynamic content. Cons: learning curve, may pose a challenge for beginners due to its advanced features and capabilities. Optimization, requires additional effort to ensure optimal performance, especially in terms of fine-tuning and optimizing the application. The pages routing system is both intuitive and effective. By adding React components to the pages directory, routes are automatically established. Features: automatic routes, the inclusion of a.js or .tsx file in the pages directory automatically generates a corresponding route. SEO optimization, simplified SEO optimization is achieved through the use of the next ahead component. Data fetching methods, integration of methods such as getStaticProps, getServerSideProps, and getStaticPaths facilitates efficient data fetching. Custom document and app component, enables customization of the overall document structure and layout for enhanced flexibility. Pros: efficiency, Next.js enhances development efficiency, reducing time and effort in the process. SEO ready, server-side rendering ensures that content is readily accessible and optimized for both users and search engines. Cons: complex routes may not be the most suitable option for intricate routing requirements. Naming convention: the structure is closely tied to file and folder names, demanding precise and accurate naming for optimal functionality. When to employ the pages router? The pages router proves advantageous in projects characterized by simplicity as a priority, optimal for scenarios where a straightforward approach to navigation and page creation is preferred, minimizing complexity. Convention over configuration: well suited for those who favor a predefined and immediately functional structure, eliminating the need for extensive configuration. Emphasis on speed over flexibility: ideal for rapid development and deployment, requiring minimal setup to achieve swift results. It is most suitable for websites and applications that prioritize uncomplicated navigation and do not necessitate intricate routing scenarios. When to shift to the app router? Contemplate migrating to the app router when your project demands advanced routing for intricate routing patterns that surpass the limitations of file name-based routes. Custom middlewares: when there is a requirement for tailored server-side logic to enhance routing capabilities. Incremental adoption: optimal for gradually integrating or introducing new features without necessitating a complete overhaul of the existing routing system. Now that Vercel itself recommends using the app router in our Next.js projects, I'll be prioritizing the creation of pages according to the app router's standards. Now that we've got a good grasp of the app router and pages router, I'm super excited to dive into creating pages for about, contact, docs, and pricing. Join me in watching the video closely, so we can make sure there's no confusion. Let's explore this together. Here we are, ready to edit the default page in our project. To begin, we will remove all unnecessary elements, leaving only the function declaration. Then, we'll insert the home page content inside a div tag. Next, we'll execute the project in the terminal using the command npm run dev. However, a mistake was made, as npm dev run was erroneously written, resulting in an error. Correcting this, we will execute the proper command, allowing us to open the browser and view our home page. For now, let's overlook the error and focus on the displayed text on our home page. Perhaps you haven't noticed, but the default favicon is not appearing in the browser tab. Let's address this issue. Please watch the video attentively to learn how to resolve it. I hope you observed that the error has disappeared, and our default favicon is now visible. Now, let's address the presence of a horizontal bar. To do this, we need to navigate to the global CSS file, open it, and comment out the style within the body declaration. Remarkably, the issue is resolved. Moving forward, we'll create pages for about, contact, documentation, and pricing. To achieve this, we'll start by creating the necessary folders. Notably, we are using the app router and not the pages router. Following the folder creation, we'll proceed to create files inside them. Beginning with the About page, using the file name page.tsx, assuming TypeScript is selected for the project, otherwise use .jsx for JavaScript projects, we'll complete our initial demo page. Upon opening our About page at localhost 3001 About, we find our About page ready. We'll continue this process for the other pages, skipping through the video to save time. A notable point here is that I wrote docs instead of documentation, because the folder was named docs during creation. If you desire the link for documentation to read documentation instead of docs, create a folder named documentation. Finally, we'll create the last page for pricing using the same process as before. Acknowledging a mistake, the message for the pricing page was meant to be, "This is pricing page," instead of "This is contact page." My sincere apologies for the oversight. Subsequently, the title of the page will be changed from the default one. This modification can be achieved by updating the default layout file in the app folder. Upon inspection, you'll see that the title has now changed to Nepal4x API. Concluding this journey, a final, minor change will be made to the default home page. Interestingly, this time we won't refresh the browser tab, yet you'll still observe the alteration that has been made. That wraps up this clip. In summary, when it comes to organizing your Next.js 14 project, the choice between the page's router and the app router boils down to your project's complexity. The app router is like a supercharged version, offering advanced features and more control, especially for complex needs. On the other hand, the page's router is simpler and quicker for basic projects. Remember, it's not about right or wrong, it's about what suits your project best. Whether you're new to Next.js or an experienced user, consider your app structure, routing needs, and any advanced features you might want. Both routers are powerful. Pick the one that aligns with your project goals for the best results. So this is the end of this video. Your time and attention are truly appreciated. Thank you for watching.